Hey, Sneaking about tonight. Tonight, back with Imagine OS. Used to be Goblin X. Do you remember Goblin X? I've done a few videos on it before. Based on slackware, and this one I really like because it looks so fresh, nice and clean, fresh and clean. XFCE as its Windows Manager, really nice. So I'll go through it with you. Exit, calendar, time, lilo, net, swap, memory, CPU, nice, web browser, Thunar, notepad, then you've got terminal, then you've got connect to remote file systems. Another little add-on they've had put on the ISO here, really nice. Then you've got places there, then you've got the menu, so that's pretty cool, isn't it? So you can run programs from there, terminals, file managers, web browsers, settings, the usual XFCE stuff, but it looks different because it's in white basically. It's nice and in your face and you can see it really nice and clear, and I really like that. It's a bit different from all the other stuff, so that's pretty cool. Education, Viking. Now I ain't got a clue what Viking is, so I thought I'd open it up. And it looks like northeast, southwest. What is it? We'll go to help. About Viking. GPS data, analyzer, Explorer Manager. That's a nice little app, isn't it? Really nice little app. I must see if I can get it on my Fedora one when I install it next week. Okay. Next one we'll go to, back to the menu. I'm going to run down, we'll go to graphics. Comics is there. A Flickr uploader, GIMP and Scribus. The important ones are all there before you even start. So that's pretty good. And that's a 700 meg download, and I was a bit peed off about that. But it gives you the stuff you really need to do stuff. So it wasn't too bad. Now graphics is just like a DVD like library thing. Basically, it won't play you like stuff, but hey, it looks okay if you need it, if you want that sort of thing. But hey, remember, it doesn't come from Europe, it comes from South America, I think. Don't quote me on that, but I think it does. A VNC and SH server browser, Pigeon, Firefox, a BitTorrent, a Twitter client, Thunderbird, WA, lots of stuff in here on the thing. AbbeyWord, we'll open AbbeyWord up in a minute. Genomics there, Osmos there, Home Banks there, so we'll go back to AbbeyWord, see what we've got. Nicey. Let's reasonably quick. I've not edited this video whatsoever, by the way, so it's all as is as we go. It's only an old dual-core processor, so that's running really, really nice. It's a really current version of AbbeyWord, so that's pretty good. I was pretty impressed by that one. Nice, okay. System, lots of stuff. G-Parted, I'll go back to that in a minute. Gigolo 2, so we'll go back to G-Parted, and I'll show you a little partition I've set up for it, just to run it, because I've installed it with difficulty, but I'll come to that at another point. I might even tell you about it. You can get it into install, but sometimes it's a bit of a bum trying to get Lilo to install, which is their bootloader. They're not using Grub, so that's a different way of things, so you know, that was one of the bad bits. But on the top of it, loads and loads and loads of stuff that you really want to use, and it's really quick and easy, and I think it's really, really bright and fresh, and I like that. So that's your menu for you, basically. That's enough said, enough done. We'll open up the browser. Firefox 3.6, nice. Usual screen when you boot up Firefox for the first time. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to tickle over to the search bar, and we'll put in YouTube. Oh yeah. Touch the L page. I'm going to click there, or somewhere like that anyway, and see what we get. Now, I could look at anyone here whatsoever, couldn't I? But what I'm going to do when I scroll back up in a second, you can see it's all nice and clear, everything works perfectly. A lot of Firefoxes come with Flash pre-installed at the moment, but not this one. So I thought I'd just show you just to make it sure that you know what you're looking at. So there's me, but for spacing, so that's not really me, is it? So I'll click on me again, and there we have some of my videos. We're going to scroll down. I'm just going to open one up for you when I find one that's not relative, but I want to show you. Yeah, Rip Linux. I do like Rip Linux. Nice recovery CD. There's no Flash pre-installed, so you're going to have to do that yourself. But that ain't no big deal. It will be in the repos. So hey, that's pretty good to me. But on the whole, I really, really, really like this. It looks so clean and different. Even though it's only XFCE, it's got the newer kernel, so that's pretty good and stuff like that. But hey, it's really, really nice, and I really like it. I don't know why. It's just, it comes out of the screen at you, you know. Something different to use, nice and fresh. And that's what I'm going to get. I'm going to Imagine OS. I'm going to get Fresh OS. Bloody hell. I like it. I like it. Sneaky links out.